Welcome back to the podcast. If you've ever moved within the US, you already know how easy it is to overspend. Add an ocean, custom paperwork, and unfamiliar shipping terms, it's no wonder many Americans assume moving to Spain must cost a fortune. Here's why do-it-yourself doesn't always save money. It's tempting to think you'll save by handling everything alone, buying your own boxes, packing everything yourself, booking freight directly. But international shipping is not a local move. There are dozens of moving parts: documentation, custom clearance, insurance, and port coordination. Mistakes can lead to lost items, custom delays, or even double charges. Professional movers like SDC streamline this complexity into a single, predictable process. We make sure your shipment travels safely under the correct documentation, is packed efficiently to minimize volume and cost, clears customs without surprise fees. You save not just money, but peace of mind. And that's worth more than any do-it-yourself shortcut. Declutter before you pack. The easiest way to shrink your shipping bill is to ship less. Before you pack, walk through every room and ask one question. Would I pay to move this across an ocean? Shared containers save big. One of the most powerful tools for cutting international moving costs is groupage shipping, also known as shared container service. Instead of paying for an entire 20 to 40 foot container, your belongings share space with other shipments going to Spain. Each client's goods are separately packed, inventoried, and tracked. At SDC, we specialize in coordinating shared shipments from major U.S. ports to destinations across Spain, including Madrid, Barcelona, and Valencia. It's efficient, secure, and cost optimized. Choosing the right shipping service for your needs. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your ideal shipping plan depends on volume, timing, and comfort level. Here are your main options. Full container load, best for large household or family shipping full furniture sets, vehicles, or large inventories. Shared container, known as groupage, perfect for smaller shipments. And air freight, fast but costly. Next, let's talk documents and customs. No surprises, no delays. Spain's custom process for household goods is straightforward if your documentation is correct. If not, it can become expensive quickly with storage fees, inspection delays, or import taxes. Here's what you'll typically need: copy of your passport and visa or residency document, detailed inventory list or shipped goods, proof of residence in Spain, non-sale declaration confirming the goods are for personal use. Here's why professional insurance is worth it. Even with perfect planning, international transit involves multiple hands and ports. Professional marine insurance covers your belongings from door to door, giving you complete protection against loss or damage. While it's optional, we always recommend it. The peace of mind far outweighs the small additional costs. Here's how SDC helps you save without the stress. Our role is to make your budget work for you, not against you. We'll help you choose the right balance between cost, speed, and comfort so you can move with confidence and clarity. Call 844-651-7050.